What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to install and use the WinRAR File Archiver utility for Windows. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Begin by launching your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official WinRAR download page. The link is provided in the video description. On the web page, you can either click on the prominent Download WinRAR button or select the Downloads tab to choose a specific version and architecture of WinRAR based on your local language and platform. Once the download is complete, locate the setup file in your Downloads folder and double-click it to initiate the installation process. Next, follow the on-screen instructions presented by the installation wizard. The default settings should meet the needs of most users, but feel free to customize these options if you have specific requirements. Click on the Install button and wait for the installation to complete. WinRAR should now be installed on your PC. Now that WinRAR is installed, it's time to put it to the test. Locate a file or folder you wish to compress or archive. Right-click on the item. Navigate to the WinRAR menu. Navigate to the WinRAR menu in the context menu and select your desired action. For demonstration purposes, we'll select Add to Archive. A new window will pop up with several options for creating your archive. Here, you can name your archive, choose the archive format, set a password, and adjust other settings as per your needs. Once you've configured your options, click on OK to create the archive. Your new archive will be created in the same directory as the original file or folder. To extract files, simply right-click on the archive, navigate to the WinRAR menu and select Extract Here or Extract to folder name based on your preference. WinRAR also provides a range of additional features like repairing corrupted archives, benchmarking and more, which can be accessed from the WinRAR program interface. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.